made a Michelangelo. I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.